We are like this far away from murdering each other, but we cannot live without each other.
He says so that it was love at first sight, not from my end though.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Verona in the City. आपको प्यार जाहिर कैसे करते हैं आपके हस्बैंड? वो कोई बात नहीं है, वो नहीं है.
I really feel that he knows me even more than myself.
She never stops me for anything. I never have to lie to her.
Today we are here to find out how couples of Gurgaon really met.
The day we met, we got engaged.
First time she came and stayed with me, we had a skincare night. She applied a mask on my face and I was wearing a pink headband.
And what can we learn from them? Let's go!
Bringing home our daughter for the first time, I think that's my favorite memory of our lives.
मेरी तन्हाई का एहसास feel हो रहा है मुझे. How long have you guys been together?
4 months, more than 7 years now. How many years?
12 years.
12 years
In 2
now.
months it will be 12 years.
Yeah.
We've been married 12 years.
10 years.
44 years. 48 years.
Wow. Ah, pretty. So let's rewind the clock. How did you guys meet?
On our roka.
Met for the first time at your
On our
Roka.
roka.
Wow.
The day we met, we got engaged. We got to meet each other for like 5 minutes. Parents have already decided, so they sent you like to a room that why don't you just talk to each other for a while.
Yeah.
And after that we said कि okay चल जाएगा. They're like okay, put the gaddas, give them rings and what
We
the first
exchanged rings like 5 minutes later.
He says so that it was love at first sight, not from my end though. So we met each other in college. We were friends. By the end of 4th year, it turned out to be a perfect match. It was destined to be. We had actually a really cute date for the first time.
What was cute about it?
I didn't have to force anything. The conversation was very natural and she made me laugh.
He dropped me back till Delhi, which is a big commitment from Gurgaon.
In this traffic? I swear.
Common office.
Really? You met at work?
Yes, we met there. So we were not exactly in the same team. We were in the same cab.
We started talking, chit chat on calls in office. You know, I was working in the organization before she joined.
I was there for only 6 months, maybe just to find him.
Kismat ki wajah se you had to go there, right?
Maybe. He used to sit just right behind me. And we used to use our Microsoft Teams, not for our official chats, maybe.
Personal chat.
Personal chats. But yeah, I can call that out because I'm no more with that organization now, and he has also resigned. So
Got it. Not an HR violation anymore. आपको अपनी वाइफ में सबसे खास क्वालिटी क्या लगती है?
She's soft, she's kind, she's polite. She's my sweetheart.
That's so sweet.
She's honest. Whatever she's from the outside, she's from the inside. Same.
तो बड़ा अच्छी यार वेल नेचर्ड है.
She's very simple and honest. She can manage my outbursts simply just by staying quiet and speaking very softly, and that's really one of the excellent skill set that she has and
Yeah.
quality actually.
She's very adorable.
that's lovely.
She never stops me for anything. I never have to lie to her. And it creates an environment you don't feel any pressures.
Your absolute favorite quality in your husband?
Neither gem of a person.
Tell me more.
Everything.
Nothing on the top of my head. I mean, she's
it's
been with me
almost
12 years.
So we were like, we fight, we love, we have done
we
everything.
were like this far away from murdering each other. But
But we were happy.
but we cannot live without each other too.
That's so sweet.
I really feel that he knows me even more than myself. I'm being very honest here. With me, he's the most of himself. Like usually, he's an introvert guy, but he's the openest person I've ever met with me. So I think he has had his heart out to me. Every day he tries to prove that to me. It's a regular thing that he's trying to prove me that I'm the suitable guy for you.
Yeah. We're learning so much about marriage and relationships. And also, why is everyone pregnant, low-key? What's your favorite memory that you've shared together? I'm sure.
So many.
सारी और साथ ही बताइए याद ही याद है.
So the first time she came and stayed with me for a couple of days, we had a skincare night. And as soon as we did the skincare, she applied a mask on my face and I was wearing a pink headband. Within seconds, I slept in her arms because I just felt so safe. And that has been the best memory for me throughout these few months.
so sweet. We need more skincare nights with the men in our lives.
She was getting bored.
I met an accident in my age of 33. It was life-threatening accident.
God.
And that time he was always beside to look after me. Till 6 months I was unable to move from the bed. This was the only thing which made me alive.
Having a supportive partner who will stand by
very true,
you
very true.
is like life or death in some cases.
Yeah.
Bringing home our daughter for the first time, I think that's my favorite memory of our lives.
My father was not agreeing to our wedding. It's an intercaste wedding.
Okay.
He was not agreeing to even meet him.
Oh,
So
wow.
by the time I convinced him to meet him, and the first meeting he had, he came back and he was like, I couldn't find such a good boy myself for you ever.
Right.
Recently, we did
Stargazing on the terrace.
Yeah, there was this one night where you could see shooting stars. Like it was visible from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Yeah, and we stayed there all the whole night on terrace.
Wow, that sounds super romantic.
Yeah.
मेरी तन्हाई का एहसास फील हो रहा है मुझे.
It gets better, I swear.
आप इतने सालों से साथ में हैं. What is the secret to being happy?
हम लोगों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत है. एक दूसरे को एज ए फ्रेंड भी मानते हैं कि सारी बात एक दूसरे से शेयर कर लेते हैं.
ज़्यादा खींचते नहीं बात.
कोई बात किसी से छिपाते नहीं, ना बच्चों की ना कुछ. मैं काफ़ी बार हॉस्पिटलाइज हो चुकी हूँ. उन्होंने काफ़ी केयर करी है, बच्चों ने भी करी है और इन्होंने भी करी.
What's one piece of advice you would give single people who haven't met the one yet?
I think empathy is really important. Majority of the people I know, they lack empathy. So it's very important to ensure that the person you're with, they're empathetic towards you and they're patient.
Didn't you just copy my answer?
I did not. You called me kind.
बहुत फर्क है, ठीक है, kind और empathy.
Don't expect anything.
You should not go for the bank balance, beauty or anything else. He should not be filthy rich, monetary wise. He should be filthy rich by the values, ethics.
Don't overthink. Just go with the gut feel.
If you know that with someone you're able to spend a few hours talking or hearing them out, I think that itself should deserves a chance. I mean, like if you have a certain list of things that you want to make sure everything is ticked, that's never there. Like no relation is a perfect 10 on 10.
Compromises are still there, just in case if someone thinks that there are no compromises, that is not the case.
दोनों तरफ से एडजस्ट होना चाहिए.
लड़कियों को भी एडजस्ट करना चाहिए लड़कों को. फिर थोड़े टाइम बाद बंदा एक दूसरे को समझ लेता है और फिर ठीक सेट हो जाते हैं.
You have to accept pros and cons of each other. Like no fighting. You have to love them unconditionally.
Despite the fights.
Yeah, sometimes because of the fights, you get passionate, you know.
Being there for each other no matter what, no matter how many ups and downs come, but eventually trusting each other. We have heard a lot of advices from others, but we actually did nothing. We just did what best fitted us and our marriage, and I think that's the only thing that will keep you running longer. So
आज की डेट में बहुत लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमें शादी नहीं करनी, तो आप उनको क्या कहेंगे?
शादी तो करनी चाहिए.
एक साथ तो बच्चा होना ही चाहिए. घर में रौनक होता है,
मन लगा रहता है. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Love in the City. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!